Monitor Sensors was started about 25 years ago by a group of CSIRO scientists to make sensors for weather stations, but also water quality and air quality, and also some soil measuring equipment. They had quite a big range in those days. They started off very ambitiously, and today we're still doing basically the same things, and I think we've improved the products quite a lot from the early days. Right now we claim to have the most advanced loggers and sensors of anybody in the world. We're not just a leader within Australia, we're a leader within the world. There are several products that are definitely the world leader. One of the features of our loggers is that as soon as you plug a sensor in, it detects it and starts logging from it automatically. There is no programming. This is the plug and play feature, which Monitor Sensors is unique in the world in having that. We're the only people that have plug and play. R&D is very, very important to Monitor Sensors. We have a staff of 8 people in total, and 2 of those are totally devoted to R&D, so that's a very large effort, probably way more than most companies of our size. We're in a very competitive industry. There are thousands of companies actually making sensors, and some of those have the advantage of cheap labour, so we have to have an edge on them, and we feel that R&D, to get that advantage, we need to have the very latest technology to stay ahead of the crowd. Well, in the flood inquiry, I did hear that they were complaining about a lack of rain gauges up in the upper reaches of the rivers, and I thought, well, here's an opportunity to measure not only the rain but also the creek levels. So I thought if we could have a very simple device that can measure rainfall and rapid rises in creek levels and warn people immediately, directly, by SMS, and that's what this device that we're developing now can do. It basically has 2 functions. It will just record the rainfall and the creek levels, which may be of interest in their own right and just as a historical record, but more importantly, when things start to get serious and very heavy rises in the creeks combined with more rainfall coming, then you need to have a more urgent warning system. This system is online through the internet, so anybody can go in at any time and see what's happening, but more importantly, it will initiate sending of SMS warning messages at progressive levels. As things get more and more serious, it sends out more and more serious messages on 8 different levels, in fact. It is standalone. It has a battery, of course, but it has solar panels. We're going to intend to use wrap-round solar panels, so it will be just this unit on its own, and that will power all the loggers and the modems, so there's really no need for any extra power at all. Yeah, we've found ATS really helpful. We've had excellent support from ATS. We've had far more than we expected. Of course, we've got the pamphlets and we've got the exposure on the website. We've also been very lucky to have a full feature article in the Acumen magazine, and all of this without any cost to ourselves. So we're very happy with ATS. We need to get into other countries overseas, and we're hampered by, we're a very tiny company. We don't have the money to really put into advertising, so all this exposure through ATS is very, very helpful to us.